Hey YouTube, we had a great question from a Poseymom customer named Amir. He lives in Arizona and he's afraid that the heat has killed his water kefir grains. He says that during the shipping process they were left in a metal box, maybe like a mailbox, in 105-degree weather for a period of time. Not a significant period of time, not weeks, but for some amount of time in the heat. He says that he went through the instructions and did his first batch of water kefir with the grains, and they just didn't respond very well. And he's wondering if the heat has crippled those water kefir grains. We did a specific video about shipping probiotic products in the heat a few weeks back, and I'll put a link in the description to that video as well. It would be interesting to check out. But if you're wondering about receiving water kefir, milk kefir, kombucha scobies in the mail, here's something that can put your concerns to rest. First of all, spending time even in extreme heat, as long as it's not an extended period of time, like several days in 105-degree weather, it's very unlikely that the culture has been seriously crippled by the heat. What is possible is that it has weakened the culture. And basically that just means that you need to make several batches of water kefir. Try 2 or 3 or 4 batches of water kefir following the instructions each time and see how it grows and improves. The water kefir may have become dormant because of those hard conditions. And basically all it needs to do is get plenty of food, plenty of sugar, changing that water every 48 hours exactly as the instructions tells us to do, and allowing that water kefir culture to reactivate and become active once again. You'll notice that the water each batch tastes more fermented. You'll notice that slowly the grains will change. They'll become, instead of mushy and small, they'll start to puff up and be nice and big and healthy, and they'll even start to reproduce. So it may take a few batches to get those kinds of results. This is normal when shipping a live probiotic product. You may have to go through those instructions a few times before you actually start getting a water kefir beverage that you feel comfortable drinking. So give that a try if you receive your probiotic products in less than stellar conditions, let's say, like in the heat. Give it a try, go through the steps a few times over, and give that culture some time to reactivate, and we're sure you'll find that the culture will reactivate. It will become alive and strong once again, and it will start producing that probiotic beverage that you were looking forward to.